How to use multiple chart layout in TradingView for free for lifetime. That's something that we are going to discuss today in this episode of Market Secrets. You all know TradingView is a wonderful website, especially for charting. If you are into price action trading or any other form of trading which involves drawing the zones in the chart, then TradingView provides an excellent platform and tools to do the charting. Even though the free account from TradingView gives you most of the things that you need, there are few things that is available only to the paid members. And the paid subscription of TradingView is extremely costly. One of the most important option for any trader is multiple chart layout in a single window. So if you look at the TradingView chart layout, there are a lot of options. You can have one chart, two chart, three chart, four chart, five chart, six chart, or even eight charts in one single window. But all these options are available only to the paid members. But there is a trick which you can use to get this feature for free forever. And to avail this feature for free, you need to download and use Vivaldi browser. This is one of the most famous browsers in the world right now, and it provides tons and tons of options that is not available in any browser. And it is one of the most secure browsers in the world right now. So you don't need to hesitate to download Vivaldi browser. You can just Google it and you can find yourself how secure this browser is. So download this browser and install it and launch TradingView from this particular browser. So now I have launched TradingView from this browser. So I'm now going to create multiple chart windows. So for example, right, so I'm just pasting the same chart window in four different tabs. Now I have opened four charts for Nifty. Now I'm going to set time frame for each of these charts. So the first chart I'm leaving it as a daily time frame, and the second chart I'm going to set it as a 1 hour chart, and third chart I'm going to set it as 15-minute chart, and fourth chart I'm going to set it as 5-minute chart. So now all you have to do is, if you want all these four charts in one single window, you just have to select all these four charts together using Shift key or Control key and right click, and you can select Tile 4 tabs option. So immediately you will be able to see all the four charts, that is daily chart, hourly chart, 15-minute chart, and 5-minute chart in the same window. So this feature is currently available for only paid members in TradingView, but with Vivaldi browser, you can get it for free forever. And by default, Vivaldi browser blocks all the ads, so you won't be annoyed with the ads from the TradingView. That is one another advantage that you have with Vivaldi browser. Like this, there are n number of features that is available in TradingView that can be availed for free forever. We will reveal it all based on the reach for this particular video. So if you find this video useful, please do share it with your friends and spread it. If this video reaches good number of audience, we will definitely be sharing similar videos on TradingView and other similar tools like ME Broker. Also, from this month, we are planning to award a free lifetime access to Market Secrets Option Analytics for the most active member of our YouTube channel. So the member who is much interactive in our comment section of our YouTube channel will be awarded a free lifetime access to Option Analytics. And we'll continue to do that every month going forward. One member of the community will be awarded lifetime access to Option Analytics. So if you want to be the winner, then please do be an active member in our YouTube community. With that note, we are signing off for today. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Goodbye.